Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from SBI net banking and EFT or RTGS. So this is easy. Uh, the first step we need to do is open our SBI banking or net banking. Once we have opened our SBI uh, account, so we need to log in. And once we have login, we need to click in payment and transfer in like this. And then we need to select this option called quick transfer. Once we have done this, we need to add all the information about the person that will receive the money, and then you can select the type of transfer to send money. If you select an order bank transfer, you can select the option between EMPS or NF, uh, NEAFT. So it's really easy. You can select one of these options to start sending money, and there you go. You just need to send your money. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.